Hello, we're on another apartment tour. We're looking at this third floor 3-bedroom by Wrigley Field on Grace Seminary. Just a block down there is a Wrigley Field. The CTA stop is 2 blocks down there too. So I'm just down that way is Sheffield, and we're going to go in here and take a look at this apartment. It's a nice 3-bedroom in a 3-story walk-up vintage rehab building. And I'm going to go up to the 3rd floor and take a look. Nice picture of Wrigley Field, the marquee. A lot of Cubs decorations here. There's the World Championship Cubs sign. And come on up. Get some good exercise climbing up here. There's another championship sign for the Cubs. Let's take a look inside. Come on in. It's a long apartment here. So here we are, hardwood floors. This is the living room. Take a look, a nice bay window. Lots of sunlight, got some new mini blinds up there. There's the view outside. Take another look. Mid-sized living room. Here's bedroom 1. Hardwood floors, huge walk-in closets, got air conditioning there. Okay, we'll step back out. There's a hall closet. A lot of closets in this apartment. This is bedroom 2, same thing, hardwood floors, air conditioning. It's got a closet there in the corner. Plenty of room in both these rooms for a king size or queen size bed. Another closet or pantry here. And here's the kitchen. This is just redone. It's new white cabinets. And it's kind of an eating kitchen. You can sit there at a bar and eat. There's a big refrigerator. Got a dishwasher too. This is a very cute kitchen, good sunlight too. There's another closet and another closet. Okay, here we are at the bathroom. This is just redone too. This is a new countertop, big mirror, lots of light, tub, toilet there in the corner. But isn't that countertop nice? New tile floor too. But hardwood floors throughout. And here we are at bedroom 3. This is the back door. We'll go out there in a second. This has a double closet. And this is hardwood floors, big window, sunlight, and very nice here. And we'll take a look out on the back porch. It's kind of a shared back porch. Those would be your 2 red chairs. If you moved in here, and there's coin laundry in the basement. You can grill down there. There's your grill, and there's Wrigley Field right over there in the horizon, about a block away. They got the W flag up, and there's the Cubs flag that we have here too. So it's great to live in Wrigleyville. Have a great day.